Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan for digital channels on your SuperBox decoder if you are in Kenya. So all you got to do is to connect your antenna cable from the antenna onto the ANT import or the antenna import at the back of your SuperBox decoder. So the SuperBox have two different signal ports that will be receiving the signal, and we have the LMB import and the ANT import. The LMB import is for the satellite signal or the satellite cable. So all you got to do is to connect your cable and then you pick up your remote. The next thing is to press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow key just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. You press OK on the installation. And for you to get access to the menu, you need to confirm with the default code on your decoder. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 40, so you type in 0000 for the menu to open up. And when you come here, you have the installation menu over here. We have the installation type to be S2, that's the satellite second generation. So this page is for the satellite setting, that's why you have the antenna setting, satellite list, transponder list over here. So you need to place it on the installation type and then you press OK on it. You change it to the T2 and you select that one, you press OK. And here we have some options over here: auto search, manual search, country folder, and then the antenna option also there also. So with the country folder, we have some listed countries over here, which Kenya is not part of it, but you need to select a particular country folder, which every country folder over here have a pre-installed frequencies, which if you are having a stable signal from the antenna that you have mounted, you are going to get those local channels that is available in your area. So the most important thing is to have a stable antenna signal from your antenna. So whether you are already having a stable signal on your antenna, you are just about to mount the antenna to get a signal, I don't have any idea about how to do, you can perform the auto search. But if you know a particular frequency which you want to track and then get those channels, you can come to the manual search and then you select the frequency, you edit, you add those frequency that you are trying to track with your antenna, and you proceed with the search option. So here you come to the country options or the country list over here, and then you select either France or UK and then you proceed. So let's select the France and you come to the auto search to proceed. So it's very simple. You perform the auto search and you will get a channels based on you having a signal, a quality signal from the antenna. So after performing the auto search and you're unable to get any channels at all you got to do is to position the antenna really well or direct it towards a different angle, and then you perform the auto search once again. You want to repeat it this at that level 360 wise. If you don't get it, you raise it up to another level, you perform the auto search. If you don't get it, you can bring it down. You do it so you get enough of the channels in your area. If you get less than 50 channels, you have to at least adjust the antenna, and then you perform the auto search once again to get more channels in your area. So know that we have different antennas, and then your antenna can actually limit you from getting enough signal, which will not allow you to get enough of the channels available. So make sure to get a quality antenna to mount. So that's it. If you have watched this video up to this far and today is your first time being on this channel, all you have to do is to subscribe, you like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need